Hey peeps, it's krasnokat here. Okay, so today I got the Rebel Rose limited edition collection from Wet n Wild. It just came, well, I just got to it today. If you hear noises in the background, the cooking channel's on, and there's cat toys everywhere. I'm at my sister's house. So, Yelena and I are going to unbox this beauty, and I am so excited. Rebel Rose is my favorite color from the matte liquid lipsticks by Wet n Wild, so I had to have this collection, and we're going to see what's inside. It's just, the packaging is beautiful. Okay. We did cut... Okay, so first of all, we did cut at the bottom, but look at this display. I mean, this is all the skincare stuff. You got the jelly balm right here. You got the lip scrub. Oh wow, that's in there. Okay. Do you want to get that out? Oh wow. Okay, so my sister's got Superman arms. This is a primer. Oh, look at this rose primer serum. It is beautiful. These are these?
All glass.
These are glass. That's nice and sturdy. Okay, this actually has rose petals in it. That is beautiful. What is that? That's a rose. What does that say?
Multi-use oil.
Rose multi-use oil. Okay. I don't know what to use that for.
Foundations or just on your skin.
Rose toner. I'm wondering if this is good for people with dry skin. I'll have to try that out. Because my sister and I both have dry skin. Alright, there's the lipsticks. This is the whole reason I bought this collection. The lipsticks here. There are 2 matte and 2 high shine. So I'm going to swatch those for you in a video along with the jelly balm and the lip scrub. So as you guys know, I do more lip stuff. I have no idea what to do with this blush and eyeshadow stuff. Probably gonna give it to my sister along with these brushes. I mean, wow, look at this. That is a huge case. Oh wow, look at that, it's rose shaped. It's a blush brush. Do you want it? That's gorgeous. I won't use it. That's a tiny brush. Look at that. What is that? That's an eyeshadow brush. Do you want that too? Okay, so these eyeshadow palettes and these blushes. Yes. Oh, this is a blush, and these are eyeshadow palettes. You want those too?
Why don't you try them? You might be surprised.
Maybe. I don't know, maybe. I'm just so amateur with this stuff.
Well,
it could be my first video. Amateur eyeshadow putting on.
Application?
Application. A cream blush.
That can be used as eyeshadow too.
Oh, is there anything?
Underneath?
Nope, that's it. Okay. This was a beautiful set. Oh my gosh, look at these brushes. Okay. Alright, so this is what you get. Of course you get, wow, light. You get the whole display. We are breaking beauty. Something about get lost in a secret garden surrounded by hauntingly delicate roses with an unexpected dark twist. Okay, cool. So there's that whole, it's a beautiful set. I'm excited to try this. Check out my video on these lipsticks coming up soon. Thanks guys.